Okay, so now we are going to learn about words, sentences, meaning, and understanding. And when I mean words, I mean the actual word for word and the actual word for sentences. Okay, let's give it a try. The first one we have is letra, which means letter. Letra, letter. Letra. And the next one is palabra. Palabra. Palabra, which means word. Palabra. So letra for letter, palabra for word. Okay, let's try the next one. Then we have frase, which means phrase or sentence. Frase, phrase, sentence, frase. And then we also have oración. And this one is interesting because oración means sentence and it also means prayer. So this word has two meanings. Sentence, like the word sentence, and prayer, like when you go to church and you pray. Oración, sentence and prayer. Frase, phrase, and it also means sentence. So both of these words have two meanings. Okay, and here we have significar. This is the verb we have, which means to mean. Significar. So you can say yo significo, I mean. You will not actually say it like this, actually. You would use more of the third conjugation. Esto significa. This means. So significa, the third conjugation, is the most common one you would say. So let's try the next one. Another one is entender, which means to understand. Entender. And for this one, you will use most likely all of the conjugations. For example, yo entiendo, I understand. Tú entiendes, you understand. Él, ella, usted entiende. Nosotros entendemos, vosotros entendéis. Yo, ellos, ustedes entienden. So this one you will most likely use all of them. For significar, not so much, because you do not say yo significo, because you do not say I mean. Tú significas, you mean, because in Spanish significar means to signify, kind of like to mean, but to signify. Yo significo means like I signify. Tú significas, you signify, you mean, you signify it. So this is the interesting thing between Spanish and English. So if you want to say I mean, you would say yo me refiero, which means I refer to. Yo me refiero, I mean. If you say, for example, I mean this, yo me refiero, I refer to this. That's the actual verb we would use, referir, to refer. So significar is a little different from English. So it means this signifies, this means. Okay, let's try the first example. Here we have, aquí hay tres palabras. There are three words here. Aquí hay tres palabras. There are three words here. Simple, palabras. And the next one. Esta palabra tiene 6 letras. This word, esta palabra, has 6 letters. Tiene 6 letras. So simple. Let's try the next one. ¿Qué significa esta frase? What does this phrase mean? ¿Qué significa esta frase? What does this phrase, my mistake, what does this phrase mean? If you wanted to say this word, you would say, ¿qué significa esta palabra? Word, frase, phrase. Okay, and this one, another example. ¿Qué dice esta oración? What does it say in this sentence? ¿Qué dice esta oración? And once again, I put the same mistake. So if you can say, this is a mistake that a lot of people make when they learn Spanish, that they forget the accents when you put que. So this one is made on purpose, but remember, because everybody makes that mistake when they start to learn Spanish. Que should have an accent. Okay, next one. No entiendo esta palabra. I don't understand this word. No entiendo esta palabra. I don't understand this word. And the next one. Ya entendí esta frase. So here we have entender in the past form for pretérito, preterite. I understood this phrase. Ya, when you say ya, means I already. Yo ya entendí. I already. Tú ya entendiste. You already understood. So ya is kind of like already. Ya, already, finally, already. Ya entendí esta frase. I finally or I already understood this phrase. And the next one. Esta palabra en inglés significa amor. This English word means love. Esta palabra en inglés significa amor. It means love, or it signifies, it means love. And the next one. Esta señal no tiene palabras. This signal has no words. Esta señal no tiene palabras. And the next one. No entiendo esta señal. I don't understand this sign. No entiendo esta señal. I don't understand this sign. And make sure you understand what this sign means, because you can get into trouble if you don't. Okay, next one. Esta señal dice hotel. This sign says hotel. Dice, decir, to say. This sign says hotel. Simple. Another example. No entendí lo que dijo. ¿Puede repetirlo, por favor? I didn't understand what you said. Lo que dijo is the past. Can you repeat it, please? No entendí lo que dijo. ¿Puede repetirlo? Can you repeat it? Por favor, please. So this one is a little bit harder, a little bit more advanced, but it's understandable. And this one, no entiendo. I don't understand. No entiendo. I don't understand. No entiendo. Okay, so let's try another example. This one has que with the accent, so you can see there. ¿Qué significa esto en inglés? What does this mean in English? ¿Qué significa esto en inglés? What does this mean in English? And the next one. No entiendo lo que dice en español. I don't understand what it says in Spanish. No entiendo, I don't understand, lo que dice, what it says en español, in Spanish. So that's it for this one, and thanks for watching. It was a simple lesson. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.